So what I want to do is make it so that it's a little bit easier to see the ball and the floor. So I'm going to create a material that I can apply to the ball or the floor to make them a little bit clearer. So in the assets folder, I'm going to create a material, and I'm going to call this material green. Um, Green transparent, just to give it a little bit of a sort of transparent hue. So to do that, I've got lots of options for creating colors and shades and things. I'm just simply going to create a green color, and I'm going to make it uh, transparent. So this is basically a material which will convey a green sort of transparent sort of hue to things. And on my sphere, I can now actually drag that material into the material on the renderer, and that will turn the sphere the green. Let's make another material for the floor. So I'm going to go to create material. Let's make a sort of a, oh, a pink, um, a light sort of pink color. Um, and let's choose sort of it's not really pink, is it? That's more of a pink. And I'll leave it opaque. We'll see what happens if I leave it opaque. And I'll apply that pink color to the floor. Now, of course, I could click on floor and then drag in the pink to there. The other way of doing it is simply to drag the pink onto the floor, and that should do the trick as well. It didn't though, did it? Oh, yes, it did. So there's our slightly pinky floor, which is, oh, it's okay. We'll leave it like that for the time being. We could probably make that a little bit more dramatic. The light is bleaching bits of it out there, isn't it?